Hey, this is Mark the Meerkat with Grok Trade with the trade of the day. And it was on COIN coin. That's right. Here it was at opening and it had dropped dramatically. It was low basing here around 50, 70, 50, 70 support area here as it bouncing around. And we set a trade up, ready to go short if it broke down below this area right here. Grok graduates know exactly why I said it right there where I did. And sure enough, what happened in the next moment? Oh, if you want to know more about what a low base is, go to freeonlinetradingeducation.com. That's right, freeonlinetradingeducation.com, and go to our free chart school. It's right up here, chart school and trading patterns. There we go. And here are the trading patterns that we trade. And this was a low base right there. It's a bearish pattern where it's setting up down here in a line of support. If it busts down below that, that's the opportunity to go short. Odds are in your favor. Not 100% odds, but odds are in your favor. It's going to continue to go down. Here's a couple of examples on day trades here. So was a setup on that one. I'm sorry, these are on daily charts. Look at this one, low base, and then kabam, look at that. Here's a little one, and then bam. So that's what could happen if it drops down there. Again, not guaranteed. Now let's get back to our trade on coin, and here it was, and then bam, there it is. It just dropped down, and I'm now short here at 50.62. I'm now short on coin, and I have a 1% automatic stop that was attached here at 51.12, and let's see what happened next here as it failed. And by the way, look at the volume as it increases here. That's kind of cool too. Odds are in my favor. Here we go, and the markets fall, and then look at that, boom, boom, boom. It just took off right back up here, and in 1 minute and 30 seconds later, I was stopped out at 51.12 for minus 1%, just like that. But Mark, the odds are in your favor. Yes, the odds were in my favor, but that doesn't mean it's going to work out every time. This one immediately reversed, and you can see it started to rocket up here and then end up going up over 2% there just in the next 3 minutes. So this one did not turn out, as not all trades do. But I got in. It was a successful trade. It just wasn't a profitable trade. Successful in that it followed my rules going in, and I set my stop according to my rules, and I stopped out based on my rules of trading to limit my risk to, well, in this case, 1%. Hey, if you want to learn to trade the Grok Trade Way, we are having a mentoring class here coming up here on July 23rd to 25th. If you want to know more about what our trading mentoring program is about, go to groktrade.com, and then right down here you can talk about a training mentor, and it'll take you right to the mentoring page here, and you can read about it. In fact, there's a little test you can take here. See, do you think you qualify for this? What is your trading knowledge? Take a little quick test there, kind of see where your skill level is. And again, it consists of 3 days of intense training to start out with, so you have the knowledge that you need. And then from that point forward with Grok, is what's different than any other trading education company I know about, is that we give you support from that point forward to implement this new knowledge that you will have regarding trading, because knowledge by itself is nothing. You got to have a way to implement it here, and there's a form here to fill out here. But I mean, look at down here. There's a lot to read about this program, so if you want to find out the details, there's a lot of it to be doing here. And actually down here, I think there's a picture of me actually leading one of the classes here. Here it is, right there. Look at that guy. So here was a class we were teaching, and it was a breakout here, but we were just showing the difference between using either an 8 EMA as a way to place your stop, or closing at one quarter of the range below the last closed candle as a way to manage your stop in a trade. One of them was you made about $6 per share. The next, using the other method, you made $19 per share. So what's the appropriate one to use? That's just part of the educational program that we show there. Again, fill out the form up here, and we'll go right back up here. Fill out the form here, and we'll just have a conversation about your trading and see whether or not our mentoring program may be of value to you and may be able to add to your consistency in making money in the markets. So again, do that. We'll just set up a call with you. That'd be great here. This is Mark the Meerkat. Hey, just remember that, as Doug from our GrokGrad Trading Room says, hey, when it comes to trading the markets, there are no rules, just odds. Trade well, and may your winners